she enjoyed her trip sa Paris. Tapos they went daw to to Lourdes. Sabi niya, it was the Pete daw who said, oh come, let's go na to the Lourdes, to the water, yung daw siya the inhibition. Or sabi niya, really, sabi niya,
even how cold it is now. The nuns, they will help you remove your one and put you another gown. Then you go in there.
Then when you go out,
dry ka.
Yeah.
And then it's really
yes, the sister of Bobby, si Alice.
Si Alice went there.
She told the same story. Si Joey also sabi niya, alam mo, sabi niya, I was asking for it. I thought, well, how come there's no towel? They were only, tapos when you go out, you're all dry na. Sabi niya, tulungan ka na. So you were in the water, you thought of us, ha? Oo naman daw. Para all, tapos parang feeling yung abot din sa amin. They never daw thought that malapit lang daw, nakita lang daw nila where they were in the hotel at Sondo, 4 hours away by train. So they took that opportunity of going.
Ang mga anak ko makakasal na.
Mga boys, mga girls.
Oo, mga girlfriends nila. Lain naman ka ng mga young. Ara na. Before they marry, they live na together. Ano kami nakaroon ng kwantisa? One of the readings sa Sira is about friends. And also, ang gospel today is about divorce. What God had put together, let no man put asunder. If a man divorces his wife, he commits adultery against, and then if the wife also leaves the husband and marries another. That's the gospel of today. I was reading it early this morning.
Whose Bible is the one up in the room? Granted it ba?
Hindi ako nakalidadi ang granted. It's not practical ba, no?
Kung ito gano'n, kaya at least very big kayo din.
Ako, may ara mo ko itong companion ba? So when si B give me every quarter, God He gives me. So it is easier for me. I look for the day, I follow lang, there is already the first reading, second reading, the psalm, and then the gospel. So it is easy. Chris, they like to sit here and just take a look at nature. Si Tote ngayon ni Cam, she just sit there and just relax lang.
Mga bata they enjoy. They came here.
Wala na. I told them not to come because it is red alert. My God, ang ilang mga buhok, different from the one. When they are here, sabi ko, they're already here with me. When they will come and their trip back and forth, sabi ko, I will not be able to sleep to it, I'll get sick. Mother of Ting Kowang ko, I did not know. You did not know?
Because during the wake, during the funeral, she did not go to the meeting. There was the lady there seated. Then I thought she was the mother-in-law of Alice. I kissed her. Then when I'm sorry, said I thought you were the mommy of Alice, and I left. Then si Dimples came to me. No, she knows your mom kasi she is Lita. She's Nene Aquino. She's the daughter of Manuela. Manuela, she's my classmate in high school. Sabi niya na binigay niya sa akin yung telephone number
Ay, naku.
Get in touch daw with her when you go to Manila.
Ay, naku.
Mag-asawa sila.
Si Lita man sana.
Lita, she's the mother of Ting Ting.
Yes, she's the mother of Ting ko.
No wonder she looks like Ting Ting. Di ba, no? Ngayon lang ito.
She is. They use, when you go to your place, Bobby, you go Okay. Oh, Bobby, when you go to your place, to Pateros, there is that curve like that, and then there is like a hill. There is like a hill there, no? There is factory up there. Sa kanila yan, they have their fermentation, I think. No, or they repack alcohol. Somewhere there, in that area, sa super high, ano? North of, what's it? Highway man yan, no?
EDSA.
Oh, sa EDSA. When you going na to Pateros, you go like that curve, you go in, and then there is like that hill there. Ayan, sa kanila yan. When she was not yet Mrs. De Los Reyes, she was, napait, the father, ang kanya brother, pilot. He is the only girl. They have brothers. I think they were.
Yeah, I always see the Captain Manzano.
That is his brother. At that player Manzano before that the father of Edu.
Pinsan pala yan, si Manzano and Pohang ko? Their cousins?
Oh, yes.
No, in-law.
Ting's father is Ikuwangko, who is related to the father also of Mikey, Kuwangko, brother. You should see the father of Ting. Pag ganun, how ugly he is. But the mother, and now the mother is the governor of Tarlac.
Kamukha nga ni Lita.
She's still beautiful, ha?
Ayan.
Ha? Still. Kuno, si
She was-
Tita, he will be.
Yung nga, the Lord is just so good.
During the meeting, he will tell Cheto, sit down. I'm the one. Sabi ko to,
He brought us to the city hall for that oath-taking. Then somebody, our neighbor, the one renting there, gave Jose barong Tagalog, pantalon. Baba siya sa kotse namon, bulsa niya. Kala mo congressman tao, and Bobby tuloy. Enter the city hall. He was the one, then he saw si Mayor Lim, si Bagat, punta talaga siya. Hindi siya nahihiya. Ako yung talaga. So he went there and he said, sir, I'm the kagawad of 758. This is my real name there. Yeah, sabi ko, wow. This guy is going places in my lang. Wala siya hiya.
Political roadshow.
But then, akala niya gano'n lang. Knowing people and people getting to appreciate it. But then, how about his working?
No, the thing that he will be influenced very.
Yun nga.
Ayan ang katakot-takot kay. If he will be influenced,
Ang ginaalin niya nga, ang role niyan ngayon, magiging fixer.
something like that. Ayun mga kwander, sabi, ito.
Yay, kain na tayo.
So, trace na nga